to say this is a native of the Philippines, Bingo. The Palawan Cracker, are also known as Bintoro. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, they can blend up to massive 6 feet long from head to tail. And they can stand up perfectly with its 2 hind feet and pads because they have a whiskers like that. And apart from monkeys, they use their tail as a fifth limb. And since they're from the cedar cat family, they smell like a popcorn or distinct scent of panda. Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin ulit ang ating huling.
Chutos, Nadine. Tushe.
And now, folks, that you've met with their animal friends,
Bravo.
this is the right time to talk about them.
Bravo,
Remember,
Nadine.
animals, no matter how big or small, if they have the right to live free from hunger, thirst, or even danger, we humans have to play the biggest role. To do your part, help us to protect and conserve our environment. In behalf of Sir Sabi, the Balwater staff, and of course, to our wonderful animal friends, we do hope that you enjoy this presentation. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy your stay. Have a nice day.